I can't wait to get lost and use this. Hey there hackers, it's GoldieBlox, and today's video is all about winter accessories. The unicorn hat, a little retro skirt, rainbow leggings. I'm a fashion icon. I can't live without my music. Every single season, I need to have a new headphone sack because it's needed. Summer, musical sunglasses, pretty bomb. Fall, we have the headphones hat. But you know, with that, you can't wear a unicorn hat. Duh. I was like, how to keep my ears warm, listen to music, but still show off uni. So for winter, earmuffs that are headphones, your little ears are warm, but you're listening to your tunes. In my day, you'd have to choose between headphones and earmuffs. You just couldn't have the best of both worlds. Hannah Montana was not present. I don't know what to do for spring. Comment down below. Seriously. Maybe it's like an Easter egg and then you break it apart, like they're little like to-go headphones. Like, oh, the Easter Bunny's coming? Okay, gotta go sleep. I wanna get some of that good candy, right? I see you. For this DIY, you'll need headphones, a sewing kit, orange fur, thread, batting, duct tape, and your trusty scissors. First, trace 4 circles on the orange fur, using the tape roll as a guide. A little hack for our hack. Now sew each pair of circles together, halfway. Flip them inside out so the fur is on the outside. Then put them on your headphones. Stuff them with batting to give them a little poof and sew them closed. And that's it, you guys. You're ready to rock. When it's cold outside and you just like don't want to live in the winter at the moment, you stay inside, you probably read a magazine. Just kidding. No one reads magazines anymore. Like magazines who? Come again? You can use magazines if you have some old ones around and you're like, bro, I should make earrings. That's probably not what comes to mind exactly. But magazine earrings. You can go crazy with this, even if your ears aren't pierced. You can just like loop them around your ear like that. I made them out of magazine images and like some cool articles that I found, and like just little pom-poms and nails. If that doesn't say GoldieBlox, what does? My favorite to make these earrings with is National Geographic, because they have the coolest sciencey images. Like look at that, like that would be so cool on an earring. Look at that, like it's flippin' gorgeous. And this is called a thermogram, which is basically like where warm is and where it's cold. Have you ever seen that filter on like your iPhone and it's like thermal and it just looks really weird, and when you smile it makes your teeth look black? That's what this is. See, this is the warm and that's the cold scale. I'm wearing my thermograms on my ears. It's a new trend. People are gonna be like, ooh, what's that? And you're gonna be like, I don't know, maybe just one of my really cool DIYs that I made from a magazine and paper clips. For this DIY, you'll need a magazine, paper clips, tape, and scissors. First, open up your paper clips and make them into a triangle. Now just cut out colorful strips of magazine paper in whatever design you want. You can use other stuff too, like catalogs, junk mail, your homework. I'm kidding. Do not use your homework, please. Finally, you can personalize your earrings using random stuff around your house. Go to town. Wow, look at that! So cool. Honestly, you don't even have to make earrings. You can make like a necklace, you can make a bracelet, you can make a ring. I mean, granted, that's not very practical. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, next hack. I'm ready for you because this is getting awkward. I'm in love with the next one. It's not a fashionable necklace, it's this. It's beautiful, it's practical, and it might save your life. I'm actually serious. This bracelet is called the Paracord Cuff. I thought it meant like a pear, and I was like, I'm hungry. Train of thought, it's weird. A Paracord Cuff is basically a bracelet made out of like parachute cord. If you undo it, like that, it's just a long cord about like as long as this. When you're lost, you never know what situation you're gonna be in. It's just great to have it as like a fallback. This can help you survive in any situation because it's just a cord that's very tough. You can make a clothesline, and if you like fell in the river and like you're freezing, so you have to like dry your clothes. You can use it for a tourniquet if you're in that situation. If you're lost and you need a tourniquet, maybe you need more than just a little bracelet. You're in bigger problems. For this DIY, we'll need some paracord, scissors, a lighter, and an LED bracelet. First, measure out your cord. For every inch of your bracelet, you need about a foot of your cord. I'm making mine 8 inches, so I'm measuring out 8 feet of cord. Place the very top of the bracelet at the halfway mark of your rope. Fold the left side over the right, keeping it very loose, and cross under the right cord. Once you get to the other side, bring the rope through the gap you left from the first fold over. Now pull tight. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you learn the knots, you'll fly through this. Keep knotting all the way down. To finish the bracelet, cut off the excess string at the end. With an adult's help, use the lighter to melt the end of the paracord so it doesn't fray. And there you have it, an LED paracord cuff. As a cute bracelet. Oh my god, is that a paracord cuff? Like, nobody will ask you that. I promise. Unless they watch this video. Normally when you see these, they're like really ugly because they're like made for guys. And if you like search them up, there's maybe like one pink one that's like not that cute. So I was like, I'm gonna DIY it and make it rainbow and light up. That's all I have for you guys today. Comment down below what your favorite was. Mine was my beautiful headphone earmuffs. I love them so much. They're so cute and they get my ears warm. Also, make sure to check out MyFroggyStuff's versions of these DIYs. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday. GoldieBlox is signing off.